Hello all, King Joe here again with another unboxing video. I actually had an unboxing video I should have done yesterday, but my father came down, and as you can tell, I got another rack we put up, and I officially got lighting in my garage now. He put three lights. Actually, I got six, but he only had enough time to do three because it took him forever by the time he drilled holes in the rafters, ran the wire, hooked it to the fuse box, put the plug in. So next time he comes down, my lighting in my garage will be finished. So I'll be like, yay. So that means I could probably do some work out there and get some of my stuff in. But let's just start with my unboxing video. I've actually been sort of depressed for the last couple days. I got no clue why. I just feel like out of sorts. Probably has to do with all kinds of stuff going on with this house. The fact that the wife wants me to quit collecting. No, they double did it. Okay, another one. Okay, I had an unboxing this week of the Magdalena comics, and the person shorted me Robin Hood #1. Well, they sent it to me, so got that. Okay. Well, I got another 3 more Zenescope exclusives on this one. From the New York Comic Con exclusive, Myths and Legends #21. Sexy Police Officer. Grimm Fairy Tales, issue 81. Zenescope exclusive cover. Grimm Fairy Tales St. Patrick's Day 2013 from the MegaCon exclusive. Bunch of leprechauns and one girl pouring booze into another girl's mouth. Now, this actually came from Zenescope Comics from Joe Rusha. I ordered stuff from Zenescope off of eBay. And on one of my other videos, you'll see how I actually complain about how certain books in Zenescope show that they are no longer available through Zenescope, but then you're able to buy them online. So let's see what we got here. Because I sort of get disgusted because I like Zenescope. I recommend them a lot. But I don't like the stuff I've been seeing lately. I understand they're a fledgling company, but I mean, I've been steering a lot of people their way, and I've been buying a lot of their stuff from their store. I hate packing peanuts. Well, they sent me another copy of Mankind, the Story of Us All, issue 0, which I already have it. Would have been nice if they sent me cover A. I actually have to get the SDCC exclusive cover, which is got like looks like a Cleopatra type chick on the cover. I actually think it was the Neil Adams did the cover on the SCD, and Neil Adams did the cover on cover A. Put them there, and these are the books I ordered from Zenescope Online. And where's the tape begin? Where's the tape end? It's funny, the closer I'm getting to my birthday, the more depressed I've been getting. And these are the exclusives I got from Zenescope this time around. Irresistible issue number 2. Don't particularly, but yeah, I like the Irresistible. When Hippie went to the Phoenix Comic Con, they were sold out of all their exclusives. So I got Myths and Legends issue 47, Phoenix Comic Con exclusive, 2 girls hiking up a mount. Then there's Grim Fairy Tales issue 79, New Orleans Comic Con, which had a Mardi Gras type deal. Then I got Grim Fairy Tales issue 67, which was a Zenescope exclusive. I actually like the cover on this. It's like a nature enchantress or witch. And then I got Neverland Hook issue number 3, Zenescope exclusive. And Grim Fairy Tales issue 71, Zenescope exclusive. I actually still have probably about another 12 or 13 books coming yet from different people off of eBay, and it's all Zenescope stuff. That's all limited editions. The reason why I like the limited edition, because they limit their production to 500, so they say. There's no, there's actually no real. I always said this about even the bait when I used to collect cards, and it's like 1 of 1,000. There's really no way of telling how many they actually make of the card, even if they say that it's one of 5,000, unless they're individually numbered. You happen to come across the same number, then you know that's a bunch of crap. From some of the quantities I've seen on some books, I really don't know, because you figure there's more than 500 people that collect comics, so these should not be as cheap as I've been picking them up. In a lot of aspects, it's good for me because I managed to pick up, I bet you I got about over 30 Zenescope comics now that are limited to 500 or less. So, yay for me. That was supposed to be sarcastic, just so you know that. I still have to do my movie. I just started shoving them up on the shelves just to get them off the floor. Because I want to try to create more and more room down here so I actually got stuff to work with. I'll give you a fast rundown of where everything used to be. As you can tell, I do have pretty much A through G done. My movies. Superman's, Aladdin, some more Supermans, Batman's. Batman actually on the other shelf. Bleach. Yeah, the Charm series. My Namesake, HBO special Carnival. Yeah, see, the only big difference is my name is spelled Carnevale. Buck Rogers, my Boston Legals, I'm missing one season of Chuck. Then my CSIs. But there's this. I just threw them up there by letter. I'll get them. And that gap there, all those other cases you see sitting there, that's my seat there. That's my music. So the other shelves are going to be music. But I did manage to clear up quite a lot of stuff. I can actually get to my bathroom downstairs because my dad took up all my comic book supplies in the attic, and you can actually see the back of my bar now coming around. Of course, there's all the empty cases I had my movies and games in at one point, but I'm starting to get some room down here. And that does it for this edition of King Joe's, and as always, I thank you for viewing and subscribing. Oh yeah, by the way, if you have time, check out these links: Coos Crusader, R. Dowdy the Great Legend, the Hitman Von Doom. Wait a minute, not the Hitman Von Doom. Yeah, Hitman Von Doom, the Mr. Fix-It Smash, Rorschach's Journal, Optimus Tron 01, Hippies Collectibles, Captain Strangelove. Yes, Hans, I still have to get to my tribute video to you, so hopefully I'll get to it this week. And as always, thanks for viewing and subscribing.